Hi, this is Jerome Joseph, global speaker and author of the best-selling book, Internal Branding, Growing Your Brand from Within. I worked with over 1,000 companies in 33 countries. One of the biggest problems that I face with organizations when I go in to consult is that organizations, while they have a very strong external brand, fail to have the same consistent internal brand. And there is this huge gap that they find within the organization. Part of my role is to go in and help them close the gap to ensure that what they are telling the public is the same thing that they're telling their people, that the culture that they create resonates with that of the brand. So when you start thinking about your branding for your organization, remember, what you tell the world has got to resonate with your people within your organization. Your culture needs to be driven by your brand. My name is Jerome Joseph and I wish you success in building a branded culture for your brand.